Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing, and this is a very unique project right here. This is a test. We did this side, and we did this side. We did not do this side, except for a little bit of overspray where you can see I hit it. Yeah, you can see where I hit a little overspray right here. Probably went this way, but anyway, this is a 100% quat. That's it. It's not a particular product. When COVID hit, we purchased a product called Max Quat, and I got 5 gallons of it. You dilute it so freaking much that it's lasted me for this many years through all the COVID sanitizations, and I use it on a weekly basis, just around everything. You use like an ounce for a gallon, so it lasts forever. But I thought, well, everything else is a quat with other things in it. What would happen if you just sprayed a quat? So I just sprayed a quat. And it's definitely killed because this is all really loose and dyed. Yeah, this was a lot thicker right here. Stuff like this was a lot thicker. Now it's just powdery and dying and just rubbing off. So I'm gonna spray another thing quat on it. Every time I come, I'm gonna hit a thing of squat and see if that one with no scrubbing, no touching, just spray and walk away, and you let the rain hit it, how well that'll do. Anyway, neat project. That's gonna be our next to the last one, so I got plenty of time to let it go and let it play with it and get the most out of this test. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.